We don't have one, not two, but three P-51D Mustangs. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, here comes members of your Alabama State Troopers. At the controls, Trooper John Trimble. Your rescue flight officer is Corporal Mac Ward, and flight officer is Corporal Kent Smith. Current aviation staff includes 8 state troopers, pilots, 1 tactical flight officer, Homeland Security liaison, 4 aircraft mechanics, and 1 secretary. 3 bases of operation, 1 in Montgomery, Coleman, and Fairhope for rapid response at all hours anywhere in the state. What you're going to see simulated here today, ladies and gentlemen, is a vehicle that has gotten trapped, maybe in a flash flood, and was unable to get out and needs an emergency extraction. The aircraft coming right over the top is a Bell 206 helicopter. And what you'll see here in just a few moments, they'll lower the line down to the truck where the stranded and injured party is. This is exactly what takes place many times across the state. Missions include searches for missing people, including those diagnosed with Alzheimer's and other mental diseases, manhunts for felony fugitives, marijuana extraction, surveillance flights, and aerial photography of crime scenes to include traffic fatalities. Executive transport flights and prisoner transport flights are also part of the state troopers' pilots' missions. The DPS aviation fleet consists of 2 rescue helicopters, the Bell 407 and the Bell 206 L1 you see here today, 7 OH-58 helicopters, and 3 Cessna 182 aircraft, a Piper Navajo, which is a twin-engine aircraft, and a King Air 200, a twin-engine turboprop. DPS Aviation averages 2,500 hours of flight time annually. The Federal Homeland Security and DEA grants assistance with the operational cost of the unit. DPS is a sponsoring agency to Project Lifesaver, and the DPS Aviation Unit is involved in the training of certified search and rescue operators throughout the state in support of Project Lifesaver. Watch now as they are lowering the line. Again, this would be exactly what it would look like. They say this truck was stranded. We have an injured driver unable to rescue himself. The helicopter is dispatched over the enabled truck, disabled. Again, this person is injured, so we've got crews that are down there on a life board, backboard, trying to get him secured to that. Again, this is demonstrating a vehicle stranded in a flash flood and an injured victim. State troopers will hoist the rescue flight officer into the back of the pickup like we saw moments ago. The flight officer will then lower the 100-foot long pickup cable. The rescue flight officer will then connect himself and the injured victim to the long line. And there they go, being extracted out of the disabled truck. Passenger is safe. And that's exactly the way it would look, ladies and gentlemen, and we are so thankful to have your Alabama State Troopers ready to assist us anytime, anywhere. Again, the pilot today is Trooper John Trimble. Your rescue flight officer is Corporal Mark Ward, and your flight officer is Corporal Kent Smith. And right now, boy, they get a nice view of Tuscaloosa dangling underneath the bell. If you'd like to know more about Project Lifesaver, you can visit their website, projectlifesaver.org, to learn more. And of course, once the injured party has been recovered, they'll be touching down safely on the ground to get the medical services that are needed. And again, we want to thank the great folks of the Alabama State Troopers for participating in the 2012 Tuscaloosa Air Show, giving us a demonstration of what they do so well each and every day, and that's protecting us, sometimes from ourselves. Area Back 45 out of Fayetteville, Alabama.